How to make dehydrated marshmallows. There are 4 ways you can make dehydrated marshmallows, using a food dehydrator, air fryer, oven, or microwave. Here's what you need to do using each method. Food dehydrator method. Step 1. If you're using large mallows, cut them in halves, making sure that they won't touch the upper layer, or use one of the next 3 methods instead. Coat the cut edges with 1 part cornstarch mixed with 1 part powdered sugar to prevent the mallows from sticking to the tray. Step 2. Arrange them properly in the trays, ensuring there's enough space in between each mallow. Step 3. Set the dehydrator to medium or 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 4. Dehydrate the mallows for 2 to 3 hours. Step 5. Once done, allow the mallows to cool. Step 6. Store in an airtight container or vacuum seal for longer storage. Air fryer method. Step 1. Put marshmallows in 1 layer on the basket. Step 2. Set the air fryer at 160 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 2 to 3 hours. Step 3. Once done, allow the mallows to cool. Step 4. Store in an airtight container or vacuum seal for longer storage. Step 1. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Step 2. In a baking sheet, place the marshmallows on a single layer. Step 3. Pop the marshmallows into the oven. Step 4. Toss every 20 minutes and bake until the marshmallows are completely dry. This should take about 2 hours. Step 5. Once done, allow the mallows to cool and remove from the oven once cool. Step 6. Store in an airtight container or vacuum seal for longer storage. Microwave method. Step 1. Place marshmallows in a single layer on a microwavable plate. Step 2. Cook at high temperature at 1-minute intervals. Step 3. Turn the marshmallows after every interval. Step 4. Repeat steps 2 and 3 until you get the preferred texture. Step 5. Let the puffiness to reduce before taking them out of the microwave. Step 6. Store in an airtight container or vacuum seal for longer storage.